Why buy a robotic pool cleaner? Over the past couple of years, we have seen a huge increase in the sales of robotic pool cleaners. Let's look at a few reasons why consumers are beginning to purchase robotic pool cleaners. The key reason being you spend less time cleaning your pool and more time enjoying your pool. Also, robotic cleaners have a low cost of ownership. Many quality robotic pool cleaners have 3-year warranties. Or another reason, low cost of operation. Robotic pool cleaners are a roving pool filter. They filter down to 2 microns and move approximately, depending on the model, between 30 to 65 gallons per minute. Robotic pool cleaners also reduce the frequency of backwashing, as the unit is independent of your filter system. When you backwash less, you're saving heated water and reducing your chemical use. Robotic pool cleaners, they clean sidewalls, the pool bottom, and the water line. It cleans where the pool needs to be cleaned. Labor savings. Most robotic pool cleaners are basically plug and play. Plug it in and hit the power button. Just place the pool cleaner in the pool. Lastly, robotic pool cleaners are incredibly affordable. You can find units starting as low as $3.99 on the marketplace today.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Please rate, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, or click the bell notification to ensure that you're receiving our most updated content. And as always, thanks for watching.